In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own budget in Google Sheets. This skill is not just important, it's transformative. It allows you to plan, manage, and optimize your finances with ease. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to open a Google Sheet. If you haven't already created one, head over to Google Sheets and start a new blank document. This will serve as your digital ledger for tracking income and expenses. Once your Google Sheet is open, we'll get started by navigating to a specific cell, H4. Click on this cell to highlight it. The reason for selecting H4 is that this will be our designated spot for calculating totals. Clarity and organization are key when dealing with financial data, so it's crucial to designate specific areas for specific functions. Now, in cell H4, you're going to input a formula, specifically SUM B5 B7. This formula will help you sum up the range of values from B5 to B7, which may represent different income streams or expenditures, depending on how you structure your sheet. Type it in precisely to avoid any errors and press the Enter key to activate the formula. You'll see the magic happen as your summed total appears. Next, we'll move on to cell H5. Here, type in a new formula. sum E5 E29. This command allows you to add up another designated range of cells, which might represent a different set of transactions. Let's say your expenses, perhaps. As before, once you've entered the formula, hit the Enter key to run it. Your total will automatically populate, letting you quickly assess the sum of these values. Now, the exciting part, personal financial management. In cell H6, you're going to input yet another formula. This time, type in H4 H5. What this does is subtract your expenses from your income total, giving you a quick view of your remaining funds or savings. Once you've entered that, press Enter. Each of these steps helps you establish a straightforward budget within the Google Sheets framework, right there at your fingertips. You've now constructed a basic financial model that keeps you in control of your money without the need for elaborate software. Remember, consistent updating and adjusting of these values is the secret to precise budget management. With just these few simple, targeted actions, your finances become a lot more manageable, and you, a lot more empowered. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.